Looking to invest on a daily basis and get some returns requires certain steps to be made. Hey, this is CeoTrades, where money works for you. Today we're looking at screeners, ways that I find certain crypto gems that are out there and I can get returns within a day, a few hours, maybe a week or two or so. So let's take a look now as I get ready to share my screen on what we are talking about here. So this is CoinMarketCap, and CoinMarketCap is a great way to find a lot of useful resources in reference to investing. This is one of those places where I come in to search for different types of information depending on the moment. You've seen me pull up some of these charts, and you've seen how some of these charts have given me pertinent information in reference to investing. However, what you're going to learn here in the next few minutes can also improve your investing style. First of all, what we do is we go here and click on cryptocurrencies, and then we go down and you're going to see another line right here, and in this column, these columns here that are here, you're going to go down to the right towards where it says filters right here, and you click filters. And when you do that, you're going to click filters again, add another filter, and you're going to go to market cap. Once you go into market cap, you have a choice. You can put in manually here the numbers that you want so that you can do some of your fundamental analysis. But you can also go down here and just click one of these. I'll click the third one, which is 100 million to 1 billion, and that's a pretty good one right there, although some people like to start out even higher than that or even lower than that, 10 million to 1 billion. And those are pretty good as well. But we'll take a look at this for this example here. And once you do that, you're going to see here how it formulates all the coins that are within that market cap. You'll see the highest ones being at 1 billion, and then it goes downward. If you click on this, you can change the order. And right there, you can see the lowest first, or you can see the highest first right here. Now, the first one, the highest first in reference to 1 billion is basic attention token. There's no reason why I'm pulling these up. I am not getting paid by any of these companies. It's in the screener, and it happens to be on there. I like basic attention token. I'm invested for the long term. I have a very few coins that I got when they were in the 20-cent range, I believe. And then I got some more a little bit higher, but I'm holding on this one because I use the Brave browser all the time, and basic attention token is one of those programs that runs with the Brave browser. I'm actually using it right now, the Brave browser. What's the advantage point to these screeners? Well, for example, you see the highest in this market cap. You see its price. What's happened in the last 24 hours? It's down 2%. In the last 7 days, it's down 11.5%. The volume, you can see here, in 86 million in USD, or in reference to bats, is 131 million. The circulating supply, which is 1.4 trillion, I believe. Wait, million. 1.4 million. Sorry about that. And you can see that the chart is on a downtrend, not compared to this one, which is on an uptrend right here. This one is Kyber Network. This one's at $5.39. It's 3% up. It's 8 in the last 24 hours. In the last 7 days, it's up 18.5%. Its market cap is 958 million. You can see that it's had a volume of 305 million. That's almost three times at least, or 4 times that of basic attention token. It's had 56 million KNCs, which is the name of this coin right here. And you can see the circulating supply is 177 million. I'd say this one's a pretty good investment right here, although you can do some more research. You can click on it, and there's more information that will come out. You can go into websites and see if they have any new projects, but as you see, it's on an uptrend. It's pretty good. KNC, I haven't looked into it. I might research later after this video, but this is ways to look at that. Or you can start out at the bottom and click the opposite, market cap, and see from the bottom up. These are some of the ones that are in the lowest now at 239 million. You can see they're all pretty much on a downtrend. This one's consolidating. There's no real move here, but you can see if the volume matches the right market cap, the price, and what the movement has been in the last few days. The overall market is down right now, so I expect a lot of these to be down. But if you do the comparison there, you can get all that information readily at your disposal, and you can utilize it for your investments. Now, another screener that I like to use is Masari. Masari is great. Once Masari comes up, this is the screen that you would get. And what do you do once you're here? You will go into data. Right here, it's the first one on the left, and then you click on Asset Screener. Once you click on Asset Screener, it takes a bit to come up. It depends on your internet connection. And you can click here on the left column, All Assets. Everything comes up here. And then you can go and see that you have the similar move right here. And you can see all the same columns. You have 13 columns here, probably a little bit more than CoinMarketCap. I didn't go into all the details in there. But you can utilize all these columns here. First, I would sort them out by market cap. And you can see the highest, 742 billion. I'm not interested in seeing that high. So I'd reverse and you can see zeros here. I don't like to see those because I don't know if those are pretty realistic. But you can start out anywhere in here, 0.17, which is 170 million. If you'd like to check a look at those, you can. These are pretty good. And you can find some information in here. Look at this one. Digitech futures is up 14% in the last hour. This is another reason why you want to use different screeners. Change in the last 24 hours, 22% up in the last 24 hours. But it's actually, this is where the move has been in the last hour. This, you can watch these, you can see how they do so that you know what's happening. You can see this is going on a roller coaster ride. And guess what? I'd say it's going to do the similar thing, maybe a lower high and a lower low. It's possible, but it's somewhere in that region. You can also see what it's done in the last 7 days. It's down 2%. In the last 30 days, in the last year. And what else is in here? It also tells you what type of token it is. It's in decentralized exchanges. You can click on it and get more information on here. This is why it's good to look into these. These are screeners that are worthwhile. I like to use screeners. There are several others that I use. These are some of the ones that I will tend to come in and see what's moving, what can I possibly check out and see if I can jump in before everybody else jumps in, because it is possible. There always are possibilities. Don't be afraid to go out there and research and do your own due diligence. Of course, if you want to double your bank account, why don't you invest in your knowledge account so that your money market account will grow multiplied. Stay safe. This is CeoTrades. Please like, subscribe, and share your comments below on reference to what you want to see more of. What would you like our videos to involve in the future, and so on. Stay active. Check below. I'll put the links in below so that you can see how you can access both of these screeners and some resources for tools in your investment practices on a daily basis.